Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I need to find a new intro. Like, it's really hard, believe it or not, it's really hard to find an intro. My typical intro is like, hi no hi everyone. Today's video I'm going to do a makeup look. Yeah, let's get started. So today's video I'm going to do a makeup look, a Valentine's Day makeup look. Like, you know, it's almost Valentine's Day, and if you have like a, you know, your babe or something like that, you're going out to eat and you need a look like a, you need a simple easy look to go to your date, you know, with your boyfriend or girlfriend. I will use my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This look is really simple. I will use 3 colors from this palette. Like you can see, I'm going to use start by my transitioning shade, my NYX eyeshadow base, and I just prime my eyes. It's really important to prime your eyes. And with a damp beauty blender, I will just blend the concealer out. Blend it out. I'm going to set my eyelid with the Sacha Buttercup powder. It's the yellow powder. And now I will use that shade Burnt Orange as my transitioning shade, and I will put it above my crease, which is here, the crease here. Then I will go with my main shade, is Red Ochre, and this shade is the second shade, and I will just put it out the corner of my eyes, and the same place as my transitioning shade. And I'm using a small brush. This is like for this brush is for crease, and it's from BH Cosmetics. And I will go ahead with this big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics also. So for the last shade, I will use Tempera, and this will go in the center of my lid and the inner corner. I will just use the Lipstick Avenue from Colourpop. It's like a dark pink red shade. You know, I'm really terrible at you know, describing colors and giving something a name. That's why I don't do a lot of makeup tutorial, because I'm horrible. complete. Now you're going to slay on the Valentine's Day, or even if you're single, you can still rock this look, you know, on the street, at school, at work. Who cares? And happy Valentine's Day. It's the day to love your family, your boyfriend if you have one, everyone, your friends, to show love to people that you actually care about and love. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.